What were they used for? Well, good question. So we saw the holes at the top when we was walking on the top. You could see the holes. That's where they loaded limestone down into. They used to layer limestone with coke, limestone and coke, and the coke was a fuel basically, which would heat the limestone up to about 900 degrees. What that would do, it would convert the limestone to calcium oxide, and that's basically known as quicklime. So calcium oxide quicklime would drop. It would drop down to the bottom, known as clinker, I believe. So to drop down to the bottom,